Two giant structures deep in the Earth. Scientists have detected something strange and unusual, and quite large, inside the Earth. These are two huge structures that can constitute from 3 to even 9% the total volume of our planet. Scientists don't know what these areas actually are or how they got deep into the Earth, but they think they may be the remains of an ancient planet. The structures are located under Africa and under the Pacific Ocean, in the lowest part of the Earth's mantle, which is directly adjacent to our planet's outer core. Intriguing structures the size of continents lie at a depth of nearly 3,000 meters. Kilometers, almost halfway to the Earth's core. Scientists don't quite know what they might be, and there are no direct ways to find out. The deepest hole mankind has ever dug, the super-deep OWxgk well, which reaches 11,034 meters below sea level. And the total length of the well is 12,262 meters. Recently, Chinese engineers began work on a 10 kilometers deep borehole. That's quite a lot, but still a long way from discovered structures. So scientists have to use seismic waves and their meticulous analysis. Two large structures can make up from 3 to even 9% the total volume of our planet. Of course, at the moment we don't have the technical means to look at them directly. So to learn more about these strange areas, scientists have to resort to indirect methods. They have one extremely useful technique here, which is called seismic tomography. The association with earthquakes is most appropriate here. When such earthquakes occur, seismic waves propagate in all directions. If we examine them from several places on the surface at once, watching them spread out, we are able to create an accurate map of the Earth's interior. This is possible due to delays or distortions of seismic waves. The different density of the material in the Earth's interior affects the speed at which seismic waves travel through them, which which allows us to study the interior of the planet. It was with the help of seismic tomography that scientists were able to track down two unusual areas in the Earth's mantle. The method discussed above makes it easy to spot them, because seismic waves propagate in these places much slower than in the surrounding space. The structure located under Africa, which received the name Tuzo, is about 800 kilometers high, which gives us as many as 90 Mount Everests. The question is, what are these areas? And unfortunately, so far science has not been able to give a clear answer to it. The only thing we know about them so far is that their density is much greater than their surroundings, which suggests that they may be composed of a completely different material. For now, however, we have to be content with theories. It is possible that it is nothing more than successive layers of oceanic crust, which, as a result of subduction, accumulated in this place over billions of years. The next concept is literally out of this world. He assumes it is Theia, or at least parts of it. What is Theia? A hypothetical planet the size of Mars, which would have crashed into the Earth some 4.5 billion years ago, and its fragments would later form the Moon. In 2021, a simulation was even conducted to try to determine whether fragments of this planet are in the Earth. It turned out that it is possible. Anyway, this concept was already considered in research 2 years ago.